Okay, while that's in the freezer, we'll go ahead and use the same chocolate and fill some of our, this is just a mold that I found online. There are different types. There's this kind, there's more of a silicone type of mold, and then there's the clear plastic chocolate molds. Any of them will work. These just have a little bit more detail on them, that's why I like them. Okay, again, you just kind of tap this also. If you have any excess run over like that, just kind of get that out of there. Okay, and then for this, it's real easy. You just pour the chocolate right onto it and spread it out. Okay, so this would actually take a little bit more. And these will all go into the freezer also. Just get the air bubbles out. And then into the freezer it goes. Okay, so this is the piece that was already done, and I like it at room temperature because then the chocolate is a little softer. Right when it comes out of the freezer, it's still pretty hard, so wait until it's a little softer before you start to cut it. So this is a half, it's about 6.5 inches, so I need about 3 1/4 would be right about here would be half. So what I want to do is just score it the first time and a second time, even a third time. And then usually, if you pick it up now and if I push from underneath, there we go, it cuts it. Okay, and then I'll cut it right about in half. Same thing. There we go. Now I can place it up on here and see. Oh, that's a pretty good size. But actually, if I go ahead and pop this one on here, if I want to use all this chocolate, just means that these two walls are the same. These two are not quite as wide. So this could be the front and the back, and these would be the sides. Okay, so then the next step on these would be getting some sand on here. So I need to take some of the chocolate and actually just kind of coat it right on top. And then take some sugar sand, which is regular granulated sugar and brown sugar mixed together, and sprinkle that over the top and then spread it out. Okay, instant sandcastle. Okay, so we'll do the same thing on the others.